Ingdeng chokke benar kep Marat Mareng arui mate Marat arani kapejutpon. Rong marjong dolamara cultural complex along Kaziranga National Park pen patir piponsi Ingdeng chokke benar kep Marat Mareng arui mate Marat arani angdung kiti mate kapejut amai kepamanpon. Kedam tang preni pai hini pen pangceng ponsi Marat Mareng arui kacepate padu pondet api kepajutsi arani dolamara along sirok dok amai radamai pi pemanpon. Bang solong lunse pi kaceteron pi lapen ari sanghu mate lunse po chandra kanta terang pen ketok alun jir ripaja paja pualun lun pon pen bang suami ceng pon. Ada por pai kebrajiti malom pen utam saikia honorary wildlife warden penajok mei cari ponsi Ramesh Kumar Gogoi DFO Kaziranga Prohalat Kro ACF lapen Mongol Sing terang chairman Dolamara Municipal Board atung pen melur kai ponsi puthot mei ceng ponlo. Kace tongara ratu maphan Karbi Apoho pen arjo ponsi rat angno pachini pon pinpur dam senang kedam tangara ni pen seta dolamara along lapuson Kaziranga National Park pen kapatir pipon maybe pon pepin lang seta non apor prohalat kro ACF kacirabdun penajok marat api aphan inghon nangji thengpi thengprang pangjok nangji lapen marat api pen munit ang bong kacirap thedung pualam dolamara arat aphan kapacini ji aphan bor isi bang suami bipon loputa alhi atumpen lam thejai pon sonsi angtan pen kewang alhi sarpo atum jasemet dolamara mate Karbi Anglong arlo kilir seng angthek lapen aningarong cipirinti lapen Karbi akikan setami kelang aning ceparong pon rinti Karbi Anglong atum le Kaziranga National Park aphan akenang sot avisita Kaziranga National Park ke Karbi Anglong aphan akenang thepik athe lang pleng ahut jontu apian ke Karbi Anglong aing namar lusi nang cepat chongji lapen chopanji lasi Karbi Anglong along le nang pek nang ni sita marat api kachopanji aphan adim pek tu pat pusi DFO Gogoi chuning ritekang me along lo Charlie also maratuma phan arjan ki hi kachipate pen ki unatuma phan medal lapen certificate pajurpon wildlife lapen Kaziranga National Park pen meke phapon ponahut rat ari dakki en pon Kaziranga National Park nangke parlo aphan lo pusi raratum kapheri dudu lasolam ko anahok pu DFO Gogoi aphan lamthe karjo hut ke thana tengke lake ahok kali lapen pheri nangni athe ki Kaziranga National Park ke mithang ajakong ke dopen kaprek along le kithi araji lapen kacerai eji alam ave laki komatnia tumsi kapache thangta bonta Kaziranga kereng ji aphan ke Karbi Anglong akenang thepik lasi maradapi kisungahut pajok dontu kuta ningjepon halapu ingnam angnar perajok apran kedam nang atup nduk piglo sita non puan ta ahema soratu maphan thangnat akirap ave pinlang polam karju ahut kethak pon lapuson hello compensation aphai kepapat nangji do lapen lake ajording kloita thek seta kipiji aphan bor ipo pusi ningje tekang labang so melong alhuyaman pen Ramesh Kumar Gogoi DFO Kaziranga Chiranjeev Jain ACF Kaziranga Prohalat Kro ACF Dipu East Division Mongol Sing Terang Dolamara Municipal Board Chairman Bokaghat pen Kaziranga Press Club lapen Dolamara arlo kithe kiding atum chetong dunsi mai aliralom pidot Kaziranga pen Thomson Terang Luti Kimi News Karbi Anglong
the authority of Kaziranga and in collaboration of the Karbi Anglong Forest Department jointly we have organized 68 wildlife week. This is the closing ceremony. For last 1 week we have arranged some competitions, drawing competition, essay competition among the schools right from Bukharat to Murapahar. So we have selected all that award those who have first, second, third year position. So we invited them, we take them here. Then we invited all the organizations in Dolamara. So we decided to step out of Kaziranga because in Kaziranga we have been doing this sort of program every year. So we thought, yes, we have to step forward to beyond Kaziranga and this Dolamara, what do you say, this Kaziranga and Karbi Anglong. It is nothing but it's a single landscape. This has been utilized by wild animal of Kaziranga since long. So now also there is a movement of animal very frequently. Animal comes and goes to this Karbi Anglong. So it is an integral part of Kaziranga. Without the support of Karbi Anglong, Kaziranga cannot sustain alone. So we have to build up relations with the people first, then with the animals, and we have to create a very conducive environment for the interests of the wildlife and for the interests of our some rhino and other animals. So this today's program is full of entertainment, full of messages, and we got cooperation from all the local bodies of Karbi Anglong. Yes, we are happy.
So let me also ask you one thing, that when there was a conflict between wildlife and general public, many of the wives became a widow. That falls under the matter of wildlife. So far as we know that there has been no compensation of the victims' families.
Yeah, compensation is there, but in present context, yes, that rate to be reviewed. I think this has been already taken over up by the government. So there is a system. We are doing it. We are giving it to 1 year, but it's a government system. It takes some time, but system is there.
And meeting. One person was interested to take signature. So when it reminds us that when a meeting held through under the banner of wildlife or something from Kaziranga National Park, the village people, they basically thought that we have given signature, it might be extension to Kaziranga National Park. What is that message?
Yeah, this is actually very wrong conception. Is probably by some vested interest people. Kaziranga is not a autonomous body that they can take decision. It's all we are all under the same government. So without the government concept, government support, no one can take your land. And it is not necessary also. Whatever in Kaziranga, yes, there is a expansion is necessary for Kaziranga in view of that population increase and all. But that has already been taken up because in other side of Brahmaputra, whole entire Brahmaputra is now under Kaziranga. So animal has have already got access and protection of that landscape. Yes, in terms of this Karbi Anglong, yes, Karbi Anglong, obviously it was a home of that same animals because in Kaziranga is a single mass. Kaziranga Karbi Anglong is a you can say that is single landscape. It is built for in single mass, but only dividing line is national highway. So now, in changing context, yes, national highway is too much busy, and that vehicle concentration is also too much heavy nowadays. So animals get difficult to cross the road only. Anyway, otherwise, the animal of Kaziranga is always dependent on the highland of the Karbi Anglong. So it is inseparable. So to facilitate that constraint, yes, we have some identified corridor for the safety of the animals. So our concern is that you need not spare your land for the animal, but sometimes you have to give shelter. So that is important.
So we also came to know that
if you see in larger context, in Karbi Anglong, is all forested land. Maximum forest exists in the Karbi Anglong only now. So where there is a forest, there is a wild animal. So elephant is not new thing. Elephant has been here. Now because of our population increase, yes, we have a conflict. You can say conflict means interaction is frequent nowadays. So that is the issue. But you cannot wipe out all wildlife, all elephants for the sake of your survival. No. So we have to go along. You have to give some space to the animal. You have to run your business also. So that is there. So God has gifted everything for all the cases. So we have to be develop a tolerance how you behave or how that animal behave. So it's a mutual kind of thing, I think.
The arui lodge which was built by under the Authority Council, teaching ivy, so that this wall will be evicted after some few days to make the space free for elephant corridor.
Yeah, there was restriction for in identified corridors, so that that movement of animals are eased out. So if we can spare some wall for the ease out of movement of the animals, yes, we have to be considered for that. And government, who is government is? Government is elected by us only, now. So government has to take care of your people and take care of his forest and take care of his animals also. So that is a complex equation. So we have to balance that equation. So there should be an easy movement for animals and easy movement for your vehicle also. So that's the drums.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, welcome.